First, use this clip to loosely tie the hair and pull it through. Then, clip the hair like this and make a few adjustments, and you're done. Don't clip the hair the old way anymore. Clipping like that is too loose. Let's try again. First, split the hair into 2 sections, then pull it through and tighten it a bit. After that, use the clip to secure it. It's both firm and neat, right? Begin by using your hands to carefully twist the hair in this manner, ensuring that it stays neat and secure. Once you've twisted the hair, take a clip and fasten the top section, making sure it holds well. Next, wrap the lower part of the hair underneath the twist and adjust it by tucking the ends further down. Use another clip to secure the bottom section, ensuring everything stays in place. This method creates a beautifully elegant and polished look, perfect for any occasion. With a cute hair clip, wrap the hair like this, then wrap it one more time to make it neat, and clip it. It looks so elegant. Give it a try, so easy. Use a cute hair bun maker to start pulling the hair down like this, then roll it up and bring the 2 ends together to create a lovely bun. First, use a hair clip to secure a portion of your hair. Alternatively, you can twist all your hair together and then clip it like this to keep it very neat. Start by using a cute clip to tie your hair back with a string. After securing it, loosen the hair slightly, split it into 2 sections, and pull each section through. Finally, use the clip to secure it. First, use a clip to secure the hair like this. Then tuck the ends of the hair up, and just like that, it looks neat. You should definitely give this simple trick a try and you will love it. Use a hair clip to secure the hair like this. Twist the ends of the hair around and clip it in place. It looks very beautiful and neat. After wrapping the hair, use a comb to secure it in the opposite direction, then clip it back in the usual direction. This way, the hair will be fixed in place with a cute ivory comb. Use a hair clip. First, use your hands to twist the hair, then secure it with the clip. It's simple and holds firmly. Use your hands to twist the hair, then take a clip to pull it in this direction. Wrap the hair around the clip and secure it. Create a beautiful hairstyle. First, twist the hair like this, then use a clip to secure the ends. Wrap the ends around the base of the clip and secure it once more to hide the ends. It looks really beautiful, doesn't it? Use your hands to twist the hair like this, then use a clip to secure it. Wrap the ends of the hair along the hair clip. First, tie your hair into a bunch. Then, tuck the top part of the bunch inside the ponytail. Fold it over and secure it with a clip. This creates a look that is really voluminous and thick. With a hair maker, wrap the hair around it, then use it to pull the hair down. Twist the hair upwards, bringing the 2 ends together to create a beautiful bun. Such a simple but useful tip. Use this pink ribbon shaped like butterflies to start braiding the hair. For each butterfly, braid a section of hair, weaving back and forth to keep it even and elegant. Continue until you finish braiding all the hair. It looks beautiful. Start by using your hands to twist the hair in this manner, then secure the hairstyle with a clip. That's so convenient. Take a comb and gently pin the hair from underneath to the top, creating a very graceful look. Give it a try, and you will enjoy it. Use a comb to sweep the hair from one side to the other. It creates a striking accent, doesn't it? Hope you will like it. Use a clip to first tie the hair, split it in half, and then pull it through. Finally, secure it with the clip for a neat finish. Use a comb to push the hair from underneath to the top, securing a section of hair and adding elegance.